Good afternoon everyone. In today's class of discrete mathematics, I will tell you how to solve the numericals of relations. Before this video, I have discussed what is relation, what is the meaning of Cartesian product, what are ordered pairs, and relation is a subset of Cartesian product A cross B. Okay, now here are various numericals on relation. First one, let R be a relation on n. N always stand for natural numbers. Natural numbers are always counting numbers which don't have zero. Okay, these are natural numbers. Let R be a relation on n. Natural number, we will keep in mind natural number, only counting numbers defined by equation x plus 3y is equal to 12. That is R is equal to curly braces x comma y colon x plus 3y is equal to 12. It's a equation. R जो है एक रिलेशन है x comma y and equation x plus 3y is equal to 12. Then first question, write R as a set of ordered pairs. Second, find domain and range of R. This question is very important. It was asked in year 2013. So let's discuss the solution of first question. Here we can see equation is given x plus 3y is equal to 12. So we will simplify this equation. So 3y is equal to 12 minus x and finally y is equal to 12 minus x upon 3. So we will first compute the equation in terms of y and x. Y will be डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल, x will be independent वेरिएबल. So आप x की डिफरेंट वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. नेचुरल नंबर्स, ओनली काउंटिंग नंबर यू विल पुट एंड यू विल फाइंड अनदर काउंटिंग नंबर y. इन दैट वे यू विल फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x एंड y. सो आपको क्या करना है, सिंप्लीफाई द इक्वेशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ y independent by dependent variable and x independent variables. So y is equal to 12 minus x upon 3. Now putting value of x in y. So x की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे so that y natural number. So we will have to put natural values only to find y as a natural number. So whenever we put x is equal to 3, so y is equal to 12 minus 3 upon 3, that is equal to 9 upon 3 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3. Similarly, we can put x is equal to 6. Afterwards, we will get y natural number 2. Okay, we just have to find only natural numbers. We can't have 0 or 1 upon 2, 3 upon 2, yeah, or we can't have decimal values. We just want to have only natural and counting numbers. Again, we can put value of x. Let's put x is equal to 9. So y is equal to 12 minus 9, 3 upon 3 is equal to 1. So these are the values. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 3, x is equal to 6, y is equal to 2, x is equal to 9, y is equal to 1. So we have to find r is equal to x comma y. Put x comma y. So r will be 3 comma 3, 6 comma 2, 9 comma 1. Here is the answer. R is equal to 3 comma 3, 6 comma 2, 9 comma 1. So we have found first answer. Now we have asked domain. Always I have told the first elements of ordered pair are always domain. The second elements of ordered pair are always range. So ordered pair, so domain will be 3, 6, 9, 3 comma 6 comma 9 in curly braces. Range will be 1 comma 2 comma 3. We can write in order, in ascending order 1 to 3. So this is the numerical solution of numerical number 1. So in this way we can simplify numericals of relations. Next question. It is given, let x is equal to curly braces a comma b comma c. There is a function f colon x tends to x. Here it is given f is a function with the set only x, that is abc, such that f is equal to a comma b, b comma a, c comma c. f is given in relation form. f को relation की तरह दे रखा है. Find the following f inverse. As we know function का inverse I have told you in other videos in equation form. function का inverse हमने equation form में solve किया है. Now here function inverse is asked in relation terms. relation की terms में function का inverse पूछ रहे हैं. So you must have to apply relation. f inverse means f का उल्टा. So the value will be a comma b will become b comma a, b comma a will become a comma b, c comma c will remain c comma c. So answer will be b comma a comma b, c comma c. Now F4 is asked. Let's see the method for computing F4. Here is the solution. Here F is given, F inverse is equal to, उल्टा कर दीजिए, B comma A comma B, C comma C. Now F4, just remember this method. F4 is equal to F composition, F composition, F composition. Just remember it. Whenever any power is asked to you in any question of function and relation, it means आपको composition find करना. Just remember this very important topic. Whenever any power is given in question, f square or r square, r cube, f की power 4 or any power, if given in function and relation, you just have to find only composition. So here we will compute like this. First create two sets x and x for function f, next two sets for second function, next two set for third function, next two for fourth functions. Similarly, it means we will have 5 sets and 4 functions f. Now you will have to join a, b, c together according to equation f, according to relation f given in question. f is given as a comma b, so join a to b, a को b से join करिए, b comma a, b will be joined to a, and c comma c, c को c के साथ. Similarly, in all the functions do this thing. A attach with b, b attach with a, c attach with c. Now finally, when we will compute f4, we will see a starting and finishing. A से start होके the sequence is going up to again a, so answer will be in ordered pair a comma a, and b is starting and afterwards it is going till b, so answer will be b comma b. C is starting and finishing at c only, so answer will be c. So here finally f4 in relation term will be curly braces a comma a, b comma b, c comma c. So this is the way to compute any power of function in relation if given in question. f2, f3, f4. Similarly r2, r की power 2, r की power r cube or r4. This is the method for solving numericals. So today I have told how to solve numericals on relation. Here are other more important topics also there. Here are also many important topics. Okay, by with that you can find various numericals. So I am discussing these also right now. Many things are given in this chart. Here are given, find the number of relations from a is equal to abc to b is equal to 1 to. Here a and b are given and we are asked to find the relation. As I have told you about relation, that relation is the subset of Cartesian product a cross b. So first of all, compute a cross b. The value of a cross b will be a comma 1, a comma 2, b comma 1, b comma 2, c comma 1, c comma 2. So total value will be 6. So we will write relation is the subset of a cross b, and formula of subset is 2 की power n. So here n is equal to 6 because total number of elements in relation in Cartesian product are 6. So 2 की power 6 is equal to 64. So answer will be 64 relations will be there from a to b. So this is the way to find number of relations in any numerical. Very important question it is. Next question. A is equal to given, b, two sets a and b are given, and we have to find following relation from a to b. And sorry, r is the relation from a to b as r is equal to 1 comma y, 1 comma z, 3 comma y, 4 comma x, 4 comma z. Find the determine the matrix. Simple matrix is also easy topic. You just have to put set A as row, set B as column. As we know, matrix is the combination of rows and column. Set A 1 2 3 4 will be row, set B x y z will be column, and we will check the relation. जहाँ जहाँ रिलेशन गिवन है पुट 1 देयर इन द मैट्रिक्स, एंड जहाँ पे रिलेशन नहीं है पुट 0 देयर. सो हियर इन द आर वी कैन चेक 1 कॉमा वाई, 1 कॉमा जेड. सो 1 और y और z में पुट कर दीजिए 1 कॉमा x इज़ नॉट देयर तो पुट 0 देयर. सिमिलरली 2 इज़ नॉट हैविंग रिलेशन विद एनी एलिमेंट सो पुट 0 इन second row. Third, 3 is having relation with y so put 3 column y 1 other 0. 4 is having relation with x and z, 4 comma x 4 comma z so put 0 in y. Find the inverse. I have told you inverse very easy. उल्टा कर दीजिए r को, y comma 1 z comma 1 y comma 3 x comma 4 z comma 4. Domain and range. I have discussed domain, elements of ordered pair, first elements in ordered pair. So answer will be 1 3 4. Range will be x y z. Now we are asked to draw the arrow diagram. Arrow diagram is easy as we do in composition. set A and set B and उनको मिला दीजिए according to R. 1 y से ज्वाइन होगा, 1 z से ज्वाइन होगा, 3 कॉमा y 4 कॉमा x 4 कॉमा y. So joint according to relation given. So this is the method to find the matrix, to make arrow diagram, to find inverse and to find domain and range. Very important questions are these. I will definitely give these numericals in your assignment, in your internal and external also. These are very important for external also. Directed graph of relation on set A. Here is a method to make any directed graph. For this R is given and we will check the elements 1 2 3 4. 4 elements are there, so we will make 1 2 3 4 in graph. Then we will join according to relation 1 comma 2. So join 1 2 2. 1 से 2 में जाते हुए एरो बनाएंगे. 2 comma 2 इट इज़ लूप. आप 2 को 2 से ज्वाइन कर दीजिए विद एरो. 2 comma 4 ड्रॉ एरो 2 से 4 पे जाते हुए. 3 comma 2 अगेन 3 से 2 पे जाते हुए एरो. 4 comma 1 मेक एरो. 4 comma 3 मेक एरो. This is a way to draw directed graph. Just remember the methods for having arrow diagram, directed graph. Composition is again given here. Here we can see it is given R, composition R is denoted by R square. So you can remember this thing from here. R square, relation R का square is always R composition R. Similarly R cube is equal to R square composition R, or R composition R composition R, as I have discussed in previous numerical. So just remember always, function हो या relation हो, whenever power is given you just have to find composition of it. Next, here is the method to find the composition. A, B, C, 3 sets are given. R and S, 2 relations are given. You have to find R composition S. Here is the method to find R composition S. So R is a relation from set A and B. So R के साथ बना, first of all you will make set A, set B. Set A 1 2 3 4, set B A B C D, and you will make R. You will draw R. Set S is between relation S is between set B and set C. So draw set B and C for R. Then you will find R composition S. Then join it 1 comma A, 2 comma D, 3 comma A, 3 comma B, 3 comma D. Join R. Similarly join S, B comma X, B comma Z, C comma Y, D comma Z. And finally we will check the answer. 1 is finally not going at anywhere, so 1 का relation नहीं आएगा. 2 is going 2 से D, then D से Z, so answer will be 2 comma Z. Finally check करेंगे. 3 A से जा रहा है, then कहीं नहीं जा रहा है. Next 3 comma B comma Z, so answer will be 3 comma Z. And 3 D पे जा रहा है, 3 comma Z. And finally 3 is going to 3 comma B comma X, so 3 comma X. So answer will be R composition X is equal to 2 comma Z, 3 comma X, 3 comma Z. आपको फर्स्ट से लास्ट का composition चेक करना है. Okay, this is the method for finding any power, for finding any composition of relations for two relations. This is a method. Next, in this question, in this question directed graph is given. Find the relation. So you can find the relation here from here according to diagram, according to directed graph. 1, 1, then 1 is going to 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 4. Similarly 2, 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay. Then 2 is not going anywhere further. 3 is going at only 5. So 3, 5. And 3, 4 also. Next 4 is going nowhere. So 4 का कोई relation नहीं. Then 5 is going at 5. 5, 5. So answer will be 1, 1, 2, 2, 5, 5, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 3, 5, and 3, 4. Answer this. This is the answer. So you can draw directed graph from any given relation as we discussed here. In this numerical, we have drawn directed graph from relation, and here we found relation from directed graph. So this is the method. Last, here are some questions for Cartesian product. A is given, B is equivalent. A 1 to 3, B A comma B. Find A cross B. So A cross B, very easy. 1 comma A, 1 comma B. 2 comma A, 2 comma B. 3 comma A, 3 comma B. Similarly, B cross A will be A comma 1, B comma 1, A comma 2, B comma 2, A comma 3, B comma 3. This is answer. Then B cross B, again very easy. A comma A, A comma B, B comma A, B comma B. So this is the method for finding Cartesian product. Now very important numerical, given A 1 to B is equal to x y z c 3 4, find A क्रॉस B क्रॉस C. जब भी आपसे 3 का पूछा जाए या उससे ज़्यादा का कार्टेशियन पूछा जाए, देन आप कंफ्यूज ना हो. फॉर डेट रिमेंबर अ टर्म ट्री डायग्राम. और एग्ज़ाम में आ भी सकता है एनी अदर इन एनी क्वेश्चन, फाइंड ट्री डायग्राम. सो दिस इज़ द डायग्राम ऑफ ट्री डायग्राम इज़ हेयर. एक रूट बनाना है, डॉट, यहाँ पे डॉट दिख रहा है, दिस इज़ द रूट ऑफ ट्री. देन टेक द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ सेट 1, सेट A 1 2. देन टेक द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ सेट B x y z. 1 को x y z के साथ ज्वाइन करिए, 2 को x y z के साथ ज्वाइन करिए. देन टेक द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ सेट C 3, 4. x को 3 4 के साथ ज्वाइन, y 3 4 के साथ ज्वाइन, z 3 4 के साथ ज्वाइन, x 3 4 के साथ ज्वाइन, y अगेन 3 z अगेन. सो आंसर विल बी 1, x, 3, 1, x, 4, 1, y, 3, 1, y, 4, 1, z, 3, 1, z, 4, 2, x, 3, 2, x, 4, 2, y, 3, 2, y, 4, 2, z, 3, 2, z, 4. Very important. So in this way, how many relations are there? 12 relations are there. So जब भी A क्रॉस B क्रॉस C, A क्रॉस B क्रॉस C क्रॉस D और A क्रॉस B क्रॉस C क्रॉस D क्रॉस E, how many relations are there, then don't get confused, draw tree diagram. और एग्ज़ाम में simply they can also ask to draw tree diagram. So just remember how to make arrow diagram. The shape of arrow diagram is like this, the shape of directed graph is this, and the shape of tree diagram is this. So today I have discussed all kinds of numericals on relations. So in this video I have discussed numericals on relations. Now only types of relations and numericals on types of relations are remaining. Only 2-3 topics are remaining in this unit. Afterwards this unit will be over. Till the time just practice all the numericals. I will definitely give numericals like this in assignment and in your internal exam also. These are very important for external exam also. Thank you for listening. Next I will discuss in another video.